Most people finish a Walmart delivery and never realize they can actually rate their driver. That is the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because your feedback directly affects service quality for future deliveries from Walmart. Here's the truth no one tells you. Rating your Walmart delivery driver is not just about leaving a compliment or complaint. It helps improve the system, supports good drivers, and flags issues when something goes wrong. In this video, you will learn exactly how to rate your Walmart delivery driver in 2026, where to find the option, and what your rating actually means. Let's start right away. After your order is delivered, open the Walmart app or website. Go to your order history. Find the most recent delivery. This is where everything begins. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once you open the completed order, you will usually see a section that says, Rate Delivery, or How Did We Do? Tap that option and you will be shown a simple rating system. It usually includes a star rating, and sometimes quick feedback options like on-time delivery, friendly service, or order accuracy. If everything went well, you can give a high rating. If there was an issue like late delivery or missing items, you can rate lower and leave a comment. But here's the problem. Many users skip this step because they think it does not matter. In reality, ratings are tracked and used to improve driver performance and overall service quality. Let's break it down simply. A 5-star rating means excellent service. A 4-star rating means good but not perfect. Anything below that usually signals a problem that Walmart may review internally. Jake once had a delivery where the driver left the package in the wrong location. After rating the experience and leaving a note, the issue was reviewed and corrected in future deliveries. Now if you cannot find the rating option, there is another way. Go to Help or Support in the app, select your order, and choose Delivery Feedback. This will take you to the same rating system. Also, sometimes Walmart sends a follow-up email or notification asking you to rate your delivery. You can complete it directly from there without opening the app. Another important tip is to rate soon after delivery. The system usually only allows feedback for a limited time window, so do not wait too long. So to wrap it up, rating your Walmart delivery driver is simple. Go to your order, open delivery details, and leave your feedback. It takes less than a minute, but it helps improve service for everyone. The key takeaway is this. Your rating matters more than you think, and it directly shapes future delivery quality. If this helped, like the video, comment your experience with Walmart deliveries, and subscribe for more simple shopping and delivery guides. You will stay informed and get better service next time you order.